And all. We are from Team 8 and our teammates are Chandrasekhar, Uday Kiran, Vijay Kumar, Kiran and Anil Kumar. Our project title is about multitasking agriculture vehicle. This multitasking agriculture vehicle has been designed for the purpose of designing the multitasks, and our vehicle performs the tasks of seeding and pesticide spraying, grass cutting of higher height and ploughing operations also perform, and the vehicle is manually driven. Now my friend will continue.
There are many existing solutions for these kind of vehicles. There are some existing solutions like tractor, seed sowing, robot, napalm, power sprayer, and some other etc. vehicles are there. But their cost is high and they can perform only a single operation at a single use. Now, my friend will continue.
These are requirements are pesticide sprayer, blade cutting, iron rods, battery, 12 volts and 9 volts. Wheels for DC motor 3000 RPM and pipes rods.
Gaps in the existing systems. Cost of machines is so high and labor cost is high. Machines requires a skilled labor. For a separate task, separate machines are required.
Our tractors, harvesters. So in this way, so we can make this agriculture machine which can make all tasks in one machine. So their budget should be in the low cost. So this vehicle is used to poor farmers.
The methodology of our project is the main objective of our project is to perform 4 operations, 4 tasks in a single vehicle. Those are weed cutting, ploughing, seeds, sowing seeds and spraying pesticides and water. We used 2 DC motors per wheels to cut the weed, and we used methodology like we used a battery and switch to on off the wheels, and we can sow the seeds through the pipes. We attached some pipes where we can use those pipes to sow the seeds. And we attach a ploughing rod. We can adjust the height of the rod so it can plough the land, and we have adjusted a sheet here which we use to spray pesticides, and we also spray the water like for the gardening purpose. We can also use the vehicle.
Now we will see the design of our vehicle, and this is our design of our agriculture vehicle. Now we will see the working of the agriculture vehicle. Task of our vehicle is about the cutting the grass and weed grass cutter, and we are operating through a switch. Now I am on the switch, and you will be seeing the working of the grass cutter. The first operation has been done, that is the grass cutting. Now we will come to the second operation, that is seeding. Now we are performing the operation of ploughing. We are adjusting the bullet so that the ploughing tool is about the height, and when we go to the land and when we want to the plough, so that we are removing this bullet and keeping to the down bullet so we can plough the land. After ploughing we will perform the operation of the seeding, and after ploughing the seedings will be done. Now we will see the operation of the seeding, and the seeds are dropped. Here the seeds are operated by a switch, and the seeds are falling from the pipe. The seeds are falling from the pipe. After sowing, the seeds will be falling like this, and the operation has been completed. The sheet of the vehicle has been introduced to carry the rice bags and other pesticide bags, and this is all the operations that are performed in our agriculture vehicle. The 4 operations has been explained thoroughly. Thank you.